Pictures, maybe.
Here's the Tug River, Kentucky on the other side. We're here in Matewan. Here's the Matewan Wall. And the massacre of Matewan. It says it right here, the Battle of Matewan. They call it massacre. May 19th, 1920. Good history. Good little small town to come to. You got a couple restaurants here. And then across the river, you got gas station and grocery store. We're gonna go across the river. There's the bridge. We're gonna go there and go into Kentucky and ride a little bit out that way. Yeah, come over on this side. And there's the town.
Prison wall.
Yeah. There's the Devil Ints where you can come parking lots. You got campers. You got campers. You can come. Police station there. Little small town, but neat little town. Got a museum for the massacre. Mingo's, I think is what it's called. Some kind of trail restaurant, which is really good. I've ate there. Just want to show you some of the, I'm going to show you the flood levels of it. They got steps go down and it shows flood levels and what year the levels were. So was that 1984?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 80. Was that 68?
57.
And 57 flood levels. And look how far the river goes up. And then it has 1977. I'm not sure if that's it, that high or not, but I think that's part of the flood level. Somebody can tell me on the comments. All right, we're just across Kentucky, about maybe a quarter mile down the road on the left, out of Matewan. This is where that pawpaw tree, if you want to read it, pause it, read it. It's right on the Tug River, nice little park. Get ready to head towards Bob Knob and do some riding all out there, do some fun. We're going to climb this. It's Johnson Bottom Point in Kentucky. I don't know how many people are going to climb. I'm going to climb it first and tell these guys how bad it is. I don't think it's too bad. Four-wheel drive, you'll be fine. Honestly, I think so. I mean, it won't that bad. And it's about where you see the top, you're at the top. If I was on a four-wheeler, I would do it. Here's the top of the Johnson Bottom. Look at the view. Beautiful view. Call the EJ coming up. Hey EJ!
Hey, look over, what's the Bob Knob?
This is just Johnson Bottom. We still got to go ways to get Bob Knob.
Oh, just Johnson Bottom Point.
Going downhill Johnson Bottom, saving Eddie as best as I can because it looks like I got to turn. It ain't a bad hill to climb. We had four-wheelers go up it.
I'm gonna make my bases off and then I'm going second.
Alright, we're gonna do some hill climbing. I'm gonna climb first, and then I'm gonna videotape the guys coming up the hill. EJ coming up this hill now. They just came up, coming up the same one. Here comes Brandon, CF Moto 950.
Yeah. Might hold release yet. God
All right.
damn it.
Here comes Ronnie, the CF Moto 800. Worst spot about right there. Once you get over that little hump, you're good to go. Here comes Ed, Can-Am 800 Defender.
He's holding his breath.
Brandon Jr. and Brandon's 950. He wanted to come up with it. Alright, this is going up the Bob Knob to get up to it. What was that? Yeah. It's a little steep, little ride. We'll have to pull and drive low, definitely. What was that? I did the middle. I'm not sure what the other guys are doing.
I did the left. When you get to the top, it goes right to the right. Sure. They made it up. Tommy, you go straight?
Alright, get ready to climb Bob Knob. Me and EJ gonna climb it. Yeah, a couple guys walked up it. They didn't want to take a chance. Here we go. can't see behind me.
I think your asshole's up in your throat.
Oh yeah, that's definitely there. I gotta make it now.
Huh?
I got to make it now.
You weren't in diff lock at first.
I won't. I put it in, but it didn't lock in. I probably can make it if I can get the right path. I just can't see behind me.
This is where I slipped right here.
I was looking if I need to go over there. I got this little hole I keep getting,
Yeah, I see that.
but I don't know what I can do backwards.
Backwards.
Got your radio on, but you can hear me, right? Did you see anywhere out there like I was talking about where that other trail may have came in to the top?
No.
No. This is the only trail up.
I think. Man, if you're dead set on wanting to go,
Well, I got
You gotta-
to. I don't know about going backwards.
you could go down backwards.
Uh-oh.
I could coach you down if you want to go down backwards.
Let's try to make it. If you can see, do you see a? I didn't have diff lock. That's why I was wondering if I can get enough speed
The
to go.
issue is, if you come over this way,
My other one's
you
gonna
got
go.
another hole here, right underneath your feet, and then you got a hole about where your passenger seat is. That's the rock face you keep hitting and spinning.
What's on the other side?
All this is just slick rock. That's the biggest issue is wet.
Yeah.
Slick. I mean, if you want to go down, I can coach you down.
Let's. Can I back up in it and then give me this?
If you start going back, you got about a foot, and then your front tire's gonna start going over this ledge.
Okay.
Down the rock face.
So I don't need to do that then, right?
Right. Well, I mean,
Well, that's what I'm saying. I didn't know if I can get enough speed.
I don't think so. I don't think you got enough traction to get speed. That's the issue.
I didn't like I said, I wish I would have had a different lot. I would have made it.
Yeah.
That one time I was right on the edge of
Yeah,
it.
you were. Yep. You probably hear my video, man. That thing went up. I went. So if you're going down, start turning to your right. Ease on down.
Yeah, a little bit. I'm
Looks like
gonna
you're
try to
going-
make it one more time. One more time. We gotta do it.
Let me get the fuck out of the way.
Yeah, get out of the way, but I just kind of. This is about my best bet right here, isn't it?
Yeah, about where you're at.
I'd rather go down and hit front for it.
Right, I understand. If you're gonna try to go, if your back tire's gonna drop in that hole over there, that's what keeps tipping you. I mean, unless you can steer to the left from there and kind of go up to the left. Try to drop down your hole.
Ready?
Are you ready? I ain't videoing this. I'm ready to attack if need be.
rock was slippery. I think I've been all right if it didn't rain. We just had a good rain right before I did that. We were trying to get it before the rain. Yeah, I definitely got scared a couple times. But I made it. I didn't really want to back down. You can see I'm gonna walk up to the flag, see a little bit better. Alright, I made it. Don't know how. That one rock was slippery, couldn't get no grip. I thought I had my diff lock in, it wasn't in. Put it in, got enough speed to get over it. But that rainstorm made the rock slippery. You can see the flag up here on bottom now, it's so pretty up here. Alright, getting ready to go down this hill. If I can keep control of the bike. Don't give it justice, but it's pretty steep. If it had been dry, I probably wouldn't have had no problem. And I did it, I was doing it in 2-wheel drive until I got to that hump where I had to put in 4-wheel differential. So, but I would definitely wouldn't do it with no ATV. Make sure you do it on a dry day. There's thunder and lightning up here, so I'm gonna get away from the top here. I got hung up. I don't know how good you can see it.